Smart Signals Incorporated accumulated a great experience working on different active and passive RFID hardware. As a new project, we received the Infinity 510 well-designed and built RFID reader from Cirrus Incorporated. Such advanced hardware reveals multiple ideas and stimulate our willingness to work on it and rethink the passive RFID technology capability again. There are different cattle software management existing in the market, which provides multiple functionalities such as data recording, financial details, breeding planner, 24/7 customer support, and others. However, we realized a certain weakness in matter of real-time monitoring and cattle visibility. The introduction of the RFID technology does exist in some application, however, is very subordinate and optional. We considered an opportunity making new cattle software application which better included the RFID advantages and capabilities to the cattle industry. RFID system is assembly of RFID readers and software. Our software application combines both middleware RFID and business application. The RFID middleware is a software serve as communication intermediate between many applications, usually appeared as complicated run-as network. In the system RFID, middleware must manage readers' activities and handle the great volume of events issued from the RFID reader as well as connect the business application. The RFID middleware, the unique access tools to the information. The use of RFID in the cattle activity will create large volumes of event traffic. Dealing with this issue, Smart Signals developed our RFID middleware version, RFERA 1.0, based on event distribution system to handle such great volumes of information. Our middleware is independent entity which installed and operated separately to provide more robust operation in case one or more components fail. Our event distribution machine is scaled to handle greater volume of network traffic. Inspiring from the system neural, our automation architecture middleware will provide optimal data management solution. RFERA 1.0 middleware will provide readers management separate between physical and logical readers, validation of data, fusion of data collected from multiple readers, temporal aggregation of data received from readers, apply real-time data treatment. To add new logical reader, we click on Add Logical Reader and give it a name. Logical Reader interface will contain a group for physical RFID reader indicate precise location zone. We are able to add physical reader by click on Add Physical Reader and follow by the entry of the name and the address or the reader. Addition specifications are eligible for such entry as description, secure, subzone, events. The application getting started with the checking of the existing reader status and by installing new physical ones. As a first step in hardware configuration, new reader connecting requires the entry of the basic machine information, including name, zone, time, location, and machine characteristics. Reader functioning will show up on green display all related information such as reader status and reader parameters, which include control icon and the hardware identification, machine details, and reader events data representation. Reader setup brings together multiple input, included the different login levels and operational mode of the reader and location, as well as the working protocol, the installation type, and tag volume. Antenna configuration displays shows the different port connection options and provides multiple choices of maximum computed transmission power, and signals specification. Reader monitoring provides 4 major control compounds which carry on reader general information, tag, reader events, and reader commands. Reader general information shows all substantial entries running the system. This related to the reader, to the antenna, to the network, and to its location. Information monitoring is conducted through the tool icon, where we are able to change all reader setup entries, security password, configuration import-export, service status, reader status, and system configuration. Antenna activation and network setting is the same subject of unit of control. Tags monitoring accumulate the process of tag scanning and detection as well as the process of filtering. Scanning tags permit to identify the information related to the antenna, to the time, to the protocol, and to the time. Tag filter is an option which associates different entries. It was created to reduce data flow and to select specific information. The Infinity 510 provides the possibility of advanced information entries, such as the tag ID, the TID, data user, kill and access password, which all are able to be saved inside the reader memory. Reader events are pre-existing functions from the machine which has the objective to present the actions executed by the reader and related to the system operating. Compared to the tag filter, the application provides the option of selection and change of events to handle such great volumes of information. Reader commands are pre-existing instruction for the machine to operate its entire compound. The same as for the reader, even our application provides the choice of selection and change to preference commands to handle the great volume of information. Welcome to SmartCattle, a software application created by Smart Signals Incorporated. This project is about designing software able to be used in the cattle industry. Such a solution must provide better tools for cattle production, management, and finances. The adoption of the RFID technology as a major work innovation will bring all kinds of related benefits to improve work result and efficiency. Our application getting started with the addition of new animals to database, we click on Add New Bulls, and we enter all animal-related information included: ear tag number, date of birth, category, ranch, pasture, sur, breeder, owner, color, and others. After data entry, we can proceed specific search by clicking on animal to obtain a complete file affiliated to the bull lifetime recording. The adoption of RFID technology in our software is considered as main innovation. We begin with attaching an RFID tag to the animal, an attribute localization, and tracking zone for tag to ease real-time tracking and create monitoring the history record for each single animal. By adding a picture to the animal, we guarantee better chances of tracking and growth analysis. The icon offspring indicate all sales history. The calves will automatically add to the list and dispose unique registration. Breeding icon put together two important information associated to the breeding management. The first is about the date of service record service where the bull was turned in. The second information concern breeding sound exams, which indicate the breeding soundness exam performed for each bull. A sample from each test can be saved to record the reproduction performance history of each bull. Medical treatment screen holds all medical procedures applied on livestock. The information could be entered for just one animal or all group. To add new medical records, click on Add New. The registration carries multiple information such as date of visit, categories, vaccine, medicine, cost, and others. The icon pedigree shows the general information for every animal. SmartCattle is able to generate the semen inventory record and save specific information such as tank location, current inventory, price, and purchase. Semen sale information such as date of sale, sale price, and units will be saved also to keep tracking of business history. The section note provides space to add comment and accommodate specific journal for each animal. The growth section is one of the fundamental parts of livestock rising cycle, which associates all records, accountability, and animal growth monitoring and animal growth performance. The interface growth gathers the performance, gain history, gain test, and carcass. Calf information will stay in the same file even after he grows to a bull. To apply the different measurement, click on Cal to calculate automatically adjusted weight, adjusted weights, WDA, weight per day of age, ADG, average daily gain, percent dam weight, weaning, and frame score. Mature measurements use these fields to record important current measurement for your bulls. The current weight and BCS, body condition score, etc. Gain history is used to record the information of gain per day for each animal, including body condition score, height, weight, weight per day of age, and average daily gain. To apply gain test, we click on Cal to calculate save the measurement or each animal. Start measures calculates WDA, weight per day of age, based on start date and weight. Mid measures calculates WDA and ADG, average daily gain, based on the mid date and weight. In addition, the ratios will be calculated as compared to all of the bull's mid ADG and WDA values listed with the test. End measures calculates WDA and ADG based on the ending date and weight. The last branch of growth measurement is the beef carcass. We are able to obtain such information either after the animal kill or during ultrasound test. Animal RFID monitoring will show up on 3 reports by the external data section. Animal mobility and zone changes, which included event date, event tag, tag ID, old location, old zone, new location, new zone, etc. Animal position history, in this case, the system creates tag status copy for every hour of tracking and all tags information such last time, first time, etc. Event history are sent from the RFID system to be saved in the application. All information provides the opportunity of animal close tracking. The cattle group function accumulates all cattle records. Finance section contains spending and income report. We can attach the income and the spending directly to individual animals. Financial file is located in Contact Branch. The system will save all financial information, such as sale date, invoice number, category, product, paid date, amount, animal, etc. Context section permit to save and manage the information of clients' livestock riser. The animal tracking section provides the means to view the history of cattle mobility as well as general event scan by the RFID reader for every single animal point tag in real time. Section provides the tools to save all real-time information of serviceable RFID tags. Information scanned shows first time, last time, location, and zone. Advanced details appear indicate user data, TID, access password, and others. Cattle in real time will show the number of bulls, cows, calves. We can also apply a filter of certain criteria, such as check all tags identification by the system or all tags not identified. Other search options, such as animal type, bull, cow, calf, or by zone reader scan. We have to mention that we keep the same démarche of work for most part of the application. The only exception shows up in some files such as bull semen and cow pregnancy. Finally, we have to appreciate Sirit Incorporate for allowing us such a great experience. We are looking forward to continuing more opportunities of collaboration. Thank you for your time and consideration.